Hello, friends. Want to know the secret to that legendary hotel style crunch? You know that one where the Avarekaalu Masala Vada is shatteringly crispy on the outside but stays buttery soft inside? Today, I'm sharing the professional tips and tricks that the hoteliers don't want you to know. We are talking about the zero water grinding technique, the perfect whole bean ratio for that crunch bomb texture, and the secret ingredient that keeps these vadas crispy for hours. If you're ready to master the ultimate winter snack and learn the basics of cooking these seasonal beauties like a pro, let's get started. This is how we make a perfect Avarekalu masala vada. And now these are the ingredients required to make this perfect vada. Take a screenshot of it. First, look here. I'm taken each cup of skinned and de-skinned Avarekaalu, and this is Avarebele, 1 cup each. And this is a soaked Gram Dal, nearly 1 cup of it, which is soaked for 2 hours. And chopped onions, 2 number. Some coriander leaves, say around half a cup, and 8 green chilies, mint leaves and curry leaves chopped, say around tablespoon each, some 4 cloves, 1 inch of a cinnamon, 1 inch of a ginger, a 12 number garlic, and salt as per taste, and oil enough to deep fry. And let's see how to make this secret masala. For this, first I'm taking a mixer jar. In this I'm going to add the spices such as a cinnamon, a 4 cloves, and an inch of a ginger, a 10 to 12 clove of garlic, and 8 green chilies. You can adjust according to your heat. And this is the whole hyacinth bean that's called as Avarekaalu with the skin. So I'm going to add a cup of it. To this we're going to add some chopped mint and curry leaves, and make sure you grind it coarsely. Just look at this, how I'm grinding. In a pulse mode you need to grind it coarsely. Now look, in this we're going to add some soaked gram dal and going to mix them coarsely. Now look, this mixture is perfectly done. It's coarse and grittier in texture. It should be like that. Make sure you don't add a bit of water to this. Now it's ready. Let's take them out. In the same mixer jar, I'll add the soaked gram dal, which is soaked for around 3 hours. And in the similar way, you need to grind it to a coarse paste. Don't add a little bit of a water. Now look, the texture is everything here, and the main technique is here. You no need to add water to this. Now you can see how coarse it is. It's just perfect. So it should be done like this. Now even the Bengal gram or the gram dal is also ready. Let's take this out in the same bowl. Now here comes the mixing thing. Now let's add the onions, finely chopped, and finely chopped coriander leaves, say around half a cup of it. If you have the dill leaves, you can add that also. Even that gives a beautiful taste. At the same time, we'll add some salt. And here comes the next part. This is the peeled or the de-skinned hyacinth beans. We call it as a Avarebele. I'm going to add a half a cup of it, so it will give a nice texture to it, and everything is in there itself. And we are going to give it a nice mix, squish and mix it well. Now let's see how to make this masala vada. And now the batter looks perfectly ready. Let's wet your hands and make a scoop like this with your fingers, and take a little lump like this and make a ball out of this. Make all the batter into these balls and keep it aside. This is very important to make the preparations to make the perfect vadas. Now look, For this much, I have got this much of roundels ready. So heat up a oil to deep fry. Listen to the sound. The oil should be this hot if you just sprinkle the water into it. Now, to make the perfect vadas, wet your hand and take a ball and just press in between your palms. Just apply little pressure and then the perfect vada comes out. Just look at the structure and the shape of that vada. Just follow the rules. Keep a ball into your palm and just press it. It is light pressure. Now you get a perfect shape for that perfect masala vada. You do practice it. It will take a little practice. That's it, and you will get comes perfect. Now allow this to hold its structure for about 2 minutes, and then you can maneuver it, turn it around so that it cooks every bit and corner of that masala vada. And this will take anywhere between 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, it's nearly 70% done. Let's take them out. And we'll allow this to cool for about 1 or 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, we are going to do a double fry method, so that we need to heat up the oil to high flame all, and then we'll drop in these vadas. So by doing this double fry method, you will get the crunchier and the more crispy texture to the masala vada. So just keep on rotating like this in a concentric circle so that it get an even color. And just look at it. It took total of 4 to 5 minutes to perfectly fry till this texture and this color. Now the masala vada are perfectly ready. Just look at the color and the texture of that vada. It's just perfect. So similarly, what we need to do is, so look at this, how perfect it is. It's done. So similarly, we'll do the another batch like this. Same techniques to be used. Just take the ball in between your palms and just apply a little bit of a pressure to get that perfect shape of that masala vada. And allow this to cook for about a total of 4 minutes to 5. And just look at the magic. It's that good. It has got a perfect texture, perfect crunch. Everything is perfect. Now there you have it, golden crunchy perfection. These Avarekaalu masala vadas are best enjoyed piping hot with side of a spicy coconut chutney and a strong cup of filtered coffee. Trust me, once you try this seasonal twist, there is no going back. If your mouth is watering right now, go ahead and hit that like button. If you are going to try this recipe at home, let me know in that comment how that first crunch felt. Don't forget to subscribe for more authentic, delicious recipes from my kitchen to yours. Thanks for watching. Stay hungry. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, this is Deepak Kshatriya signing off, and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Namaskara. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It's completely free.